How to get API key for Instagram. Getting an API key in 2025 is slightly different than it used to be because Instagram now uses the Graph API, and before it used to use simple old API key. Firstly, you will need to create a Meta developer account. You can go to Meta developers on your web browser, and now you can log in using your Facebook account. If you don't want that option, then you can click on create new account. If you haven't already, then you can even register as a developer. Click on the register option, and registering is absolutely free. After creating, you will need to create a new app. You can select my apps and you can create new apps. You can choose what you are creating it for, either business or consumer. If you select business, then it's for Instagram business or professional accounts, and if you select consumer, then it's for testing or personal apps. Now give your app a name, email, and other required info. Once you are done, you can create the app. Now in your dashboard, you can select Add Products and select your Instagram Graph API. After that, simply set up. That's all for today. Thank you.